decided to redo it in a marble contact paper. I thought that would be so gorgeous.
These are the items you're going to need for this project. A table of your choice, contact paper, a utility knife, and a pair of scissors. Let's go to work. We'll be disassembling the table. The top comes off. And the legs come apart like this. I'm attaching the contact paper to the legs and smoothing it out with my hands as I go. Making sure all the air bubbles is out. This is the completed table. I think it turned out beautifully. Look at that. That glass top on it. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. The base stuffing. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Peace be up on you.